Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is MCQ Part 2. In this part, I will solve MCQ 11 up to 20. These 10 MCQs I will solve. Okay dear students, now see. Answer the questions 11 and 12 by using the following information. Here the information is a person deposited taka 3000 in a bank at the rate of 9% profit for 3 years. It means that the time is given, rate of profit is given and principal is given. We need to find the simple profit. Dear students, we know simple profit I equal to PRN. Here P means taka 3000, R means 9% means 9 by 100, N means time means 3 years. So if we multiply this, we will get after calculation 30 here. So if we multiply these 3, we will get 810.00, or we can write directly 810. Now see which option match with this. Now option A 270, no. Option B 564.30, no. Option C is 810. Option C is 810. So option C is our answer. Okay dear students, now I will solve question B. What will be the compound principal of the amount in 3 years? Dear students, depending on the given information, at first we have to find the compound principal. Dear students, you know the formula of compound principal, that is C equal to P into 1 plus R whole to the power N. Here P means principal means 3000. 1 plus R means here 9 by 100 and N means time 3. Now if we calculate here, we will get 1.09 whole cube. If we calculate, we will get 3885.087. If we want to take 2 digit after the decimal, then approximate value will be 09. Approximate value will be 09. Okay dear students, so our required answer for question 12 is 3885.09. So which option match? No, this one, not B, not C. Here option match with D. So our required answer for question 12 is D. Now 13. Observe the information. First one, 4% of taka 25. 4% of taka 25 is 1 taka. Yes, this one is correct. Now see, the students, 4% means 4 by 100. 4 by 100 of taka 25 means multiply by 25. We will get here 4, now cut 4. It means that you will get 1. So it means 1 taka, so this one is correct. Now 2, characteristic 2 is here, at 10% loss, selling price is 90 taka. As loss is 10%, when the cost price will be 100, the selling price will be 90. So this one is also correct. Now 3, at 20% profit, selling price is taka 110. No, if the cost price is 100 and as 20% is profit, so we have to add 20 with 100, that will be 120, but here is given 110. So 3 is false. So 1 and 2 is correct. Now we have to check which one is correct. 1 and 2 is correct. So first one is our correct answer, 1 and 2. Now question 14. In case of interest, first one I equal to PRN. Yes, this is profit, formula of profit. Question 2, then this is also profit. I equal to A minus P. A means profit principal and P means principal. So if we subtract the profit principal from profit principal, we will get the profit. So this one is also correct. Now 3, I equal to C minus P. Here I means interest or profit. In case of compound profit, here C means the compound principal and P means principal. So if we subtract the principal from the compound principal, we will get only interest or profit. So third one is also correct. It means that 1, 2, 3 all are correct here. So we have to see the option 1, 2, no. 1, 3, no. 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this one here, all the points given here 1, 2, 3. So D is correct. Now question 15. To answer 15 and 16 we need the STEM. Answer the questions 15 and 16 in the light of the following information. Here some informations are given, we have to solve question 15 and 16 depending on this information. The length and width of a rectangular garden are 30 meters and 20 meters respectively. There is a road with 3 meters wide inside around the garden. What is the area of the garden? This is question 15 in square meter. Question 15, what is the area of the garden in square meter? Dear students, here length is 30 meter and width or breadth is 20 meters. So if we multiply 30 and 20, we will get 3 2s are 6 means 600. So 600 square meter will be the area of the garden. So answer is A. 15, answer is A. Now 16. What is the area of the road in square meter? Dear students, we have to find the area of the road. Dear students, you know this type of figure in this case. This is 30, this is 20. Inside there is a road and the width of the road is 3 meter. This is 3 meter. So if we find this area, it means that area of the garden excluding the road, we will get this one. That time length will be 30 minus 3 into 2 means this will be 24 and breadth or width will be 20 minus 3 into 2. This means this will be 14. This will be 14. So if we multiply these two, we will get the area that will be 336. Now the total area is 600. If we subtract the area of inner side, it means the area of the garden excluding the road. Then if we subtract that from the area of the garden or the total area, we will get the area of the road, that is 264. If you subtract, you will get 264. So our answer of question 16 will be B, 264. Now the length, width and breadth. This is question 17. The length, width and height of a rectangular cube are 6, 5 and 4 centimeter respectively. What is the area of the total surface? What is the area of the total surface? Area of the total surface in square centimeter. Dear students, we have to find the area of total surface. It means that here if the length is A, breadth A means 6 and breadth is B, B means 5 and height is C, that is C means 4 centimeter here. So we know the total surface area, formula of total surface area is 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So we can write here 2 into AB means 6 multiplied by 5, BC means 5 multiplied by 4 and CA means 4 multiplied by 6. So this will be 2 into, now 5 6 are 30, 5 4s are 20, 4 6 are 6 4s are 24. Now if we add, we will get here 2 into 74. Now if we multiply, this will be 148. 4 2s are 8, 7 2s are 14. So 148 will be the area of total surface. So we can say our required answer for question 17 is A, that is 148 square centimeter. Okay. Now question 18. 1 mile equal to 1.61 kilometer. Dear students, you know this information, so this one is correct. 2, 0.62 kilometer. No, this one is wrong. Dear students, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 mile. So this one is not correct. But 3, if we multiply first one by 1000, we will get this one. It means that if we convert kilometer into meter, we will get this one. So 1 and 3 is correct here. 1 and 3 is correct. So our answer should be B, 1 and 3. 1 and 3, that is B. Answer is B. Now question 19. How many square meters are there in 1 square year? Dear students, this information directly you know from the information of your book, and that is 1 year is equal to 1 square meter is equal to 0.84 square yard. How many square meters? This is square meter, approximate value. 1 square yard is equal to 0.84 square meters. Approximate value this one is not exact value. And question 20, the word 1/10 comes from which language? Dear students, you know this one is also directly from your book, that is Latin. The language is Latin. Okay, dear students, I have solved all the questions. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. So no more today. Dear students, here this is lecture 15 and homework 48. Submit this as your homework. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, as your CT marks, diary marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. Okay, dear students, so keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.